Greek lemon potatoes. I think I cook this at least once a week because it is popular with everyone. So I'm going to be using some charisma potatoes. I'm leaving the skin on. They're also 25% less carbohydrates and they're still so tender and waxy, and they're going to hold their shape as they cook in the oven. So with this dish, there's no fuss. It is cutting them into quarters, leaving the skin on because you can see how thin this skin is. As long as they're roughly the same size. So we want about 1 kilo of potatoes. These go onto a tray. You want a big enough tray so there's some space between the potatoes. And then we add the rest of the ingredients. So a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil. And it's the lemon that makes this so distinct because lemon has some sugar in it. So as it caramelizes, it's also going to caramelize and make these potatoes so sticky. So good squeeze of lemon. And when that lemon mixes with that olive oil, the salt and the starches from the potato, works a treat. Oregano. And I'm going to add a little chicken stock. You could also use some vegetable stock if you like. You just need a small amount of that. These are not crunchy potatoes, these are sticky potatoes. And we want to give that a little bit of a mix, making sure it's even, and then into the oven. I start the cooking process at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And then I'm going to increase the temperature to 220 just so we get that extra caramelization. They'll only need another 10 minutes after that. Are these not the most beautiful spuds you've seen? They smell so good with the lemon and the oregano. Serve them as is with some roast chook. Oh, even a little sprinkle of feta would be delicious. These potatoes are a must. Give them a try.